Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the part 2 video, and guys, if you have not seen the part 1, please go back, have a look and enjoy the video. And now welcome to part 2. In my last video, I had showed you all that how I cleanse my face, I exfoliate, and then I've added my lens, and then I did my toning. So moving further with little more of skincare, I'm gonna use this Wow Vitamin C Serum. This is a face serum, and yes, this is my new purchase and I had showed y'all in my Nika haul. And guys, this serum is enriched with 20% of vitamin C, witch hazel and hyaluronic acid. It helps to hydrate skin and brighten the complexion. Always dab and press it into your skin. By doing this, it allows the serum to get soaked into the skin. And yes, it suits all skin types. It has no parabens, no silicones and no mineral oil. So it is really good, and it's been about 10 days. I am actually liking this. And now as a primer, I'm gonna use this Color Bar Perfect Match Water Primer. Guys, firstly, just look at the bottle. It really looks awesome. I mean, it is so luxurious and looks lovely. This is also a new purchase, and guys, I'm so sorry if you have not seen my Nika haul. Please go back and have a look once. I always wanted to buy a water primer, and this Color Bar one is really good. It has real good hydrating benefits, and also the makeup looks even better and stays throughout the day. This water tonic is extracted to retain and maintain a long-lasting moisture balance. Guys, this water primer is like a supercharged energy drink for your skin. And now moving further, after the primer, I'm gonna use a foundation, and this foundation is again my new purchase. And this is the Huda foundation, which I am so glad I have it with me now. And I am in the shade Custard, that is 220N. This is a high coverage cream foundation. Ooh, I was waiting for this. Firstly, I like that it is fragrance free, and guys, this has a luminous finish which gives you a nice dewy and glowy look. And guys, can you all see this? It is a nice thick foundation, and I'm just gonna dot it on my face very lightly because it is a full coverage foundation. I don't think I'll be using a concealer after this. And the best thing is it is vegan and cruelty free. Blends like a dream. It is a full coverage foundation, waterproof, transfer proof, sweat proof, and oh my god, it stays more than 24 hours. Who wears foundation for 24 hours? Let's call it a long lasting foundation. And now I'm gonna blend this foundation with this PAC brush. This is a foundation blending brush. Guys, can you all see this? This foundation is just blending like magic, and I should actually say that foundations blend well when your skin is prepped well. Guys, if you have noticed, I have acne marks and acne scars, and you all can see it is a full coverage, so it is covering my acne marks and spots so easily. Guys, sometimes your face can be tanned, but accordingly you should choose your foundation. The shade should be according to your chest and neck. It is not at all a matte finish, and I am sure all skin types can use this, as this is a kind of semi-matte, dewy, glowy, beautiful foundation. Guys, you all know I don't like foundation on my lips, and so I'm cleaning it off. Just seeing that the foundation is blended well. And now, can you all see, I don't even need concealer after this. It is such a full coverage foundation. I just love the way it is sitting on my skin. Beautiful finish. And now, using the Wet n Wild contour and highlight shade, I'm gonna use this highlight shade just under my eyes to set the foundation little bit. I don't need much as this foundation is really sitting well on my skin. I have a combination skin, and for that I need to set my T-zone. And yes, with this I complete part 2, and moving further we still have the contour, highlight, blush, eyeshadow and many more to come. So stay tuned. And girls, please, if you like my video, give lots and lots of likes. Please do subscribe, share my channel to your friends and family. Girls, also hit the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you are notified. See you all in part 3. Bye bye. Take care.